very beneficial when studying environmental science to have thinking routines. One of these thinking routines that we use is looking at the scale of the problem, the scope of the problem, the stakes of the problem, and the speed at which the problem will happen. So let's dig into these words a little bit more closely. When you're looking at the scale, you're referring to the size of it. So you're just saying, okay, is it going to be something that is microscopic, or is it going to be as large as the globe? Then we start looking at the scope. And what is the scope of an incident? We're looking at the idea of what will be affected by the incident in question. So this may be an airborne pathogen or a natural disaster with atmospheric implications, but the scope is very critical to know what we need to do in order to prevent the loss of life. The stakes at hand are talking about what it will do. The idea of something, maybe it just causes a slight case of dermatitis, maybe it causes tumors, or maybe it's going to kill you on contact. And maybe it's just a simple piece of it's going to affect the environment for generations to come. The last piece is looking at the speed at which it occurs. Are we able to contain the situation, such as a wildfire, or is it going to run rampant? Or are we going to have some sort of asteroid impact that has cataclysmic damage? What you can see is if you use this thinking routine to say the scale, scope, stake, and speed of any incident, you're going to be able to identify the situation and work through a thought process that can help you evaluate the implications that may occur.